Cyclotech CruiseUp. Combining cutting-edge technology with environmentally responsible transportation, the Cyclotech CruiseUp is a revolutionary invention in the realm of urban mobility. The modern commuter is the target audience for this tiny electric-assisted bicycle, which places an emphasis on functionality, efficiency, and environmental friendliness. It is extraordinarily simple to ride even in crowded city streets thanks to Cyclotech's one-of-a-kind C-drive technology, which makes use of a gyroscopic mechanism to improve stability and maneuverability. The CruiseUp is equipped with this system. High-grade aluminum is used in the construction of its lightweight structure, which ensures durability without sacrificing portability. Riders are able to smoothly navigate hills and long distances thanks to the bike's electric motor, which is built to be both powerful and silent. It also provides seamless pedal assistance. ZEVA Zero. Personal flying vehicles like the ZEVA Zero, which look like flying saucers, are about to change the way people get around cities. This electric VTL can reach a maximum speed of 160 miles per hour and a range of up to 50 miles, making it a formidable aerial weapon. This incredible disc-shaped machine can reach heights of 200 feet while yet fitting into a regular parking spot. The ZEVA Zero, made of carbon fiber, is around 8 feet in diameter. It has 2 sets of propellers mounted on 4 separate nacelles and is propelled by a 25 kilowatt battery pack. The aircraft flies by retracting 4 propellers and using its own body weight to create lift. A glass windshield gives the pilot a good view of what's ahead and below as they navigate using joysticks while lying horizontally within. The business responsible for creating this future vehicle, ZEVA Aero, estimates that it will cost around $250,000 when it hits the market. Arosno e-Trace. One of the most innovative winter sports products is the Arosno e-Trace, which is widely recognized as the first electric snowbike in the world. This one-of-a-kind snowmobile combines elements of a sled with an e-mountain bike, creating an exhilarating and steady ride. The e-Trace has a detachable battery pack that claims to provide 45 kilometers of autonomy and a Sachs RS 250W motor that can assist you go up to 25 kilometers per hour. Features an Enviolo continuously variable gearbox, a high-performance rubber track manufactured by Camzo, and a sturdy aluminum alloy frame. The ergonomic composite seat adds comfort, and it can support users with weights up to 120 kilograms and heights between 145 and 200 centimeters. With an additional €250 for delivery, the total price of the e-Trace is €7,990. The combination of its user-friendliness and the thrill of snow sports makes it a giant leap forward in environmentally conscious and entertaining winter leisure. Monotrack Bike. A one-of-a-kind single-track vehicle that combines unicycle and motorbike design elements is the Monotrack Bike. You may ride it at different speeds with complete control and comfort because to its one sturdy wheel and its innovative gyroscopic stability system. An exciting and practical choice for city commuting and leisure riding, this bike is built to provide an enjoyable ride. Its small size and low weight make it easy to steer, making it perfect for negotiating congested urban streets and short hallways. Electric motors on monotrack bikes are common, and they make for a quiet, environmentally responsible ride. Most models also have rechargeable batteries, so you can cover a lot of ground on a single charge. The incorporation of safety elements like LED illumination, quick braking systems, and easy balancing controls demonstrates a strong commitment to prioritizing safety. Kwiggle Folding Bike. For the city dweller who prioritizes form and function, Kwiggle has created a folding bike that is a technical marvel. Made in Germany, this bike is renowned for being the world's smallest folding bike, with a folded size of 55 x 40 x 25 cm, making it ideal for hand luggage. The Kwiggle isn't only big, it's also incredibly light, weighing only 9 to 10 kilograms, so it's easy to handle or pull along like a trolley. The value and originality of the Kwiggle are reflected in its pricing. Prices begin at €1,421 for certain models. The price tag belies the bike's high-tech folding mechanism, premium materials, and meticulous assembly, which allow it to fold down to an incredibly small footprint while yet keeping its overall weight down. Those looking for a long-lasting, easily transportable, and fun ride will love it. The Kwiggle folding bike offers a one-of-a-kind combination of portability and performance. Engler Superquad. The Engler Superquad is a unique and ultra-luxurious quad bike, blending the features of a supercar with the ruggedness of an all-terrain vehicle. This high-performance machine boasts a V10 engine, delivering a staggering 1,100 horsepower, enabling it to reach speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. The Superquad's design is as breathtaking as its performance, featuring sleek, aerodynamic lines, carbon fiber bodywork, and a premium custom-built interior with leather seats and advanced digital displays. It offers a riding experience unlike any other, combining speed, power, and luxury in one package. In terms of price, the Engler Superquad is positioned in the ultra-exclusive market, reflecting its cutting-edge engineering and bespoke craftsmanship. The cost of owning this extraordinary vehicle is approximately $330,000. This substantial investment is justified by the Superquad's unmatched performance, exquisite design. 2x2 Ultra Bike. A revolutionary off-road adventure e-bike designed to conquer the most rugged terrains. Equipped with two 1,000-watt hub motors, one in each wheel, this bike eliminates the need for a complex drive system, ensuring a smooth and powerful ride. Its low-pressure balloon tires provide exceptional cross-country capability, allowing it to traverse snow, mud, and even water with ease. The Ultrabike features a centrally mounted battery pack, offering up to 50 kilometers of range, with an onboard generator extending this significantly. This generator can also power 110 or 220 volt tools and accessories, making it a versatile companion for any adventure. Lightweight at just 60.7 kilograms, it reaches speeds up to 30 miles per hour, making it both nimble and robust. Whether you're exploring remote wilderness or navigating urban jungles, the 2x2 Ultrabike is your ultimate off-road partner, ready to tackle any challenge you throw its way. Kuberg Ranger. Teens and adults alike may enjoy the rugged terrain on the Kuberg Ranger, an electric dirt bike scooter that is distinctive in its design. You may personalize it with a trailer and a pneumatic seat that reclines all the way. Ranging from up to 60 miles in environment mode to about 19 miles at full speed, the Ranger's 14 kilowatt motor provides ample power. Thanks to its low center of gravity, which improves stability on any surface, it is suitable for riders of all skill levels. Distinctive components of the bike include an exclusive controller, a one-of-a-kind battery, and exclusive motor technology. Aside from being incredibly silent and offering instant torque, the Ranger is also incredibly light. Plus, it's built to be adaptable and sturdy, so you can attach everything you need for your trips. With the Kuberg Ranger, you may enjoy a truly unique riding experience, whether you're out for an adventure, a leisurely cruise, or a triumphant triumph. Zapata Jet Racer. A state-of-the-art flying vehicle with exceptional speed, agility, and adaptability, the Zapata Jet Racer was created by Frankie Zapata. Its VTOL design and 10 jet engines provide it unparalleled all-weather performance. The Jet Racer can operate from small landing pads, like offshore platforms and boats, because to its compact dimensions, which is 204 centimeters in length, 204 centimeters in breadth, and 153 centimeters in height. For safety and user-friendliness, it has proprietary fly-by-wire controls that need nothing in the way of instruction. It serves a wide range of civilian and military uses thanks to its manned and unmanned flight capabilities made possible by its modular carbon chassis architecture. With a maximum payload capacity of 200 kilograms and a maximum speed of 250 kilometers per hour, the Jet Racer can reach an intended maximum altitude of 3,000 meters. It's made to be swung around at tremendous speeds. Rewaco Trikes. Made in Germany since 1990, Rewaco Trikes are famous for their cutting-edge style and top-notch engineering. Riding one of these trikes is like no other because of the way they combine style with performance. For example, Rewaco spent 30 years perfecting their tricycle designs before releasing the PUR3 GT. The RF1 GT model offers a fusion of stylish style and sporty driving, and it can be personalized with many equipment options. The RF1 ST, which comes in 2- and 3-seater configurations, provides plenty of storage capacity for anyone in need. The 1.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine is the meat and potatoes of these trikes. Horsepower levels range from 110 to 177. Prices for Rewaco trikes range from around $39,223 for the base model to as much as $45,947 for the most expensive models, such as the PUR3 GT. The trike's high pricing are a reflection of the brand's dedication to producing high quality. Concept e-bike 1865. Showing how historical design and current materials may coexist, the Concept e-bike 1865 is a contemporary take on the velocipede from the 19th century. To showcase the possibilities of innovative polymers in electromobility, BASF, and the DING, 3000 Design Studio collaborated to construct this e-bike as a design study. Only the motor, axles, and brakes are constructed of metal on this bike. The rest is virtually entirely plastic. Its front wheel is huge and its back wheel is little, just like the original velocipedes. For added safety and convenience, the electric motor is tucked away under a cover on the back wheel, and the battery is cleverly integrated into the removable seat, making it even more portable and secure. Using 24 cutting-edge materials from BASF's product line, Concept 1865 is more than simply a bicycle. It's an experiment in connecting the past and future. Tracker 800 SX. As a sturdy side-by-side vehicle, the Tracker 800 SX is meant to be used for both work and leisure. The engine is a 3-cylinder 812cc unit that produces 50 horsepower and 48 ft-lbs of torque, which ensures that it has sufficient power for a variety of jobs. Its versatility is enhanced by the fact that the 800 SX has a tilting bed that can support up to 1,000 pounds and a towing capacity of 1 ton. Electronic power steering, a digital gauge, and a bench seat that can accommodate 3 people are all included for your comfort and convenience. It is standard for the vehicle to have safety features such as rollover protection, 3-point seat belts, and half doors. It is also well known for its quiet operation, with an idle noise level of 58 decibels. A MSRP of $13,999 is set for the 2024 Tracker 800 SX. Stratolaunch Talon-A. The Stratolaunch Talon-A is a hypersonic aircraft vehicle that was designed to be reusable and powered by rockets. Within the range of 3,800 to 5,300 miles per hour, it is designed to fly. The length of the airplane is 8.5 meters, and its wingspan is precisely 3.4 meters. The Talon-A is supposed to be entirely recoverable and reusable, in contrast to its predecessor, the Talon-A TA-1, which was an aircraft that was only used once. It is able to land on a runway and then take off again, which streamlines the process of accessing the hypersonic flying environment and makes it more cheap. The Talon-A is a component of Stratolaunch's one-of-a-kind air launch system, which employs the largest airplane in the world as a transportable launch platform in order to launch high-speed vehicles into the hypersonic environment. Increasing the reliability and consistency of flight testing is the objective here. Poimo electric scooter. A revolutionary inflatable electric scooter, the Poimo is lightweight and compact, making it ideal for on-the-go fun. Portable and inflatable mobility is the acronym for Poimo, a concept created by Mercari R4D and Tokyo University students. Thermoplastic polyurethane makes up the scooter's body, which makes it lightweight, pliable, and compressible enough to fit in a bag. The Poimo is easy to assemble and transport thanks to its modular design, which includes a motor, wheels, batteries, and handles. A 70 by 110mm battery and a wireless controller make it suitable for last-mile trips or quick city tours. The scooter's lightweight of about 5.5 kilograms makes it convenient to transport. An affordable solution that tackles common difficulties with micromobility solutions, such as portability, safety, and affordability, is being worked on by the inventors. The specific pricing is still to be released,